Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do click on the bell icon as well so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on a regular basis. Okay, so now let us continue with the discussion of DXY, which is the US dollar index from where we left off on Friday night. So when we were discussing this on market on Friday, this DXY, which is the US dollar index, it was trending over here in this candle. Okay, we marked this area as an area of short-term resistance, and you guys can see that market respected this area and went down, then again respected this area and went down, and market is continuously going down. Okay, so let me just clear the chart for you guys for a little bit so you guys can check out the trades for yourself as well, that how much profits would you guys have made by taking these trades. Okay, I'm not gonna write down the trades because I have written down the trades for one whole year for you guys so you guys can easily understand. Okay, so this will be your trade number one. If you take this as a stop loss from the previous candle and your take profit will be approximately till here, and this trade would have given you a take profit of 1.6%, which is very good. And then afterward the second trade will be over here. Your stop loss would be just above this previous candle and your take profit will be approximately here, which is the 1% profit. And then afterwards market again gave you an opportunity to sell from here, but definitely maybe you guys would have hit a stop loss in this candle, and if you guys would have, I would have preferred to stay out of the market during this candle. This is a huge candle and I would have definitely stayed out of the market. But still, if you guys would have taken the risk and took a sell entry, which is I would call a extremely risky sell entry like this, then the take profit would be at least a break even of 0.3% level. Okay, and then afterwards you guys can see that we get another opportunity to short from here. So if you guys do a short trade from here, your stop loss will be just above this previous candle and your short trade will be over here. This trade would also be considered as a break even trade. And after that, this was a slight candle of a buying candle. If you guys would have taken a buying entry, you guys would have hit a stop loss, and then definitely if you guys would have taken a sell entry, then this trade would still be running. Okay, so my preference would be to stay in the selling side for this DXY pair, as you guys can see that market is consolidating in the sideways movement with a selling sentiment, with a bearish sentiment. So tomorrow for 30th April, let me go to the higher time frame so you guys can figure it out for yourself as well a little bit better. You guys can see that in the higher time frame this was the highest point. Okay, and this was the lowest point, and you guys can see that after this lowest point was broken, this low was broken by this low. Okay, you guys can see that this buying structure was invalidated by this move, and then you guys can see that market made another low, and now market is currently at the same level in the longer time frame of 4 hour chart. Okay, so all you guys have to understand is that market is just simply following the normal rules of market structures, nothing else. So what I am saying is that maybe market is going to take a dump from here, or maybe market takes a move upwards, it's gonna buy, and maybe market goes all the way up till this level, and then market goes for a sell off like this. Okay, so you guys have to be patient and wait for the correct move, but I think that my preference would be to sit in the selling side of the market, okay, on the bearish side today. Okay, so now let me move forward these scenarios for tomorrow so you guys can easily take trades. And if you guys have any issues, just let me know in the comment section and I will make sure to get back to each and every one of you guys as soon as possible. And if you guys do not understand anything, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, Okay, let me add one more. It will be like this, it will be like this. Yeah, something like this. Okay, this is another scenario of sixth. Okay, I just added this so for clarity purpose that you guys do not get confused anywhere and to take this entry and you guys do not miss this entry at all. Okay, so just be vigilant and I hope that you guys will make some good profits. So that's all for today's discussion of US dollar index. I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Till then, if you guys have not yet hit the subscribe button, then please do. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.